Hey guys, in this video I want to compare two connections, Wago 221 and crimping with a sleeve. I'm curious about how these connections affect the heating of the wire. And first I need to test the wire without any connections. I've chosen solid 2.5 mm² wire and current of 32 amps. So let's get started. I connected two sensors to the wire. The first one is at the center of the wire's length, and the second one is 5 cm from it. I'll use the second point as a basis for comparison between the connections. Now the first sensor is inside the Wago. It seems that with the connector, the temperature at the second point is higher. In this test, the first sensor measures the temperature of insulated crimped sleeve. The connection heats up slowly. I performed each test 3 times. All curves for the second point are shown on the overall graph. Purple lines represent the test of the intact wire, red with the Wago connection, and blue with the crimped sleeve. It's evident that the Wago lines are the highest. The result is good, however, the temperature exceeded the intact wire temperature by approximately 2–4 degrees. In my opinion, this is caused by additional heating inside the connector. I must add that I tried several other Wagos, and the heating was within the normal range, but it was even higher. Interestingly, that the connection with the crimped sleeve had a lower temperature than the intact wire. No, this is not a fantasy. The test clearly showed how the temperature of the crimped sleeve rose more slowly than at the point 2, up to a certain moment. I think in such a connection, the sleeve had a significant copper part that is cold. The heating of this part slowed the temperature rise near the connection. Thanks for watching, write your comments. Don't forget to like video and subscribe to follow the ElectroTest channel. See you soon.